Welcome to Palawan, the paradise island in the Philippines, known for its breathtaking underground rivers, untouched nature, and rich biodiversity. But beyond its beauty lies a story of conflict. Palawan is also home to significant nickel deposits. The Philippines is the second largest producer of nickel globally, after Indonesia. Nickel plays a crucial role in modern life, used in everything from coins and kitchen pans to jet engines and electric vehicle batteries. As investment in green technologies grows, so does the demand for nickel. However, this demand comes at a cost. In Palawan and across the Philippines, nickel mining operations have been linked to deforestation, pollution, and the displacement of indigenous peoples.
Tanging pangarap lang po namin yung aming karagatan na pagkunan ng hanap buhay sa kabundukan kung saan doon kami naghahanap buhay, nagkakuha din kami ng mga kung ano-anong mga halamang gamot. Sa ngayon po nagkaroon ng minahan, naging malungkot po ang buhay namin dito kasi kung saan nakikita na po namin na apektado na po talaga kami. Una po ako, nawalan na po talaga ako ng trabaho. Aking hanap buhay, hindi ko na po minsan maisip kung saan ako kukuha ng pagkain namin kasi wala na po akong nakuha doon sa may pantalan, kunti latak ng minahan nila. Yung latak ng putik ang nakukuha ko, hindi na po lobster.
Nung wala pa pong pagmimina, bumabaha po pero hindi po ganito. Pero nung mga nakaraan po, pulang-pula po ang mga dumadaloy sa basaka namin sa mga nyugan at yung mga baka po namin apektad po.
Residents of Brooks Point, a district affected by nickel mining, say their voices are not being heard. The land they have lived on for generations is being destroyed and polluted. The Ipalan Nickel Corporation denies these claims, insisting their operations are supported by the majority of Palawan's indigenous people. But the community's concerns tell a different story. As the world races toward a greener future, we must ask, at what cost? The energy transition must not come at the expense of the people and places who bear its burden. The Philippine government must act to protect the rights of its people and hold mining companies accountable. A sustainable future must also be a just one.